The Z2212BG is an indoor-outdoor pan-tilt zoom camera with 22x optical and 10x digital zoom. It is capable of a full 360-degree endless pan and 180-degree auto flip tilt. When you receive your camera, you will get the camera mounting bracket, a 12-volt DC power supply, mounting screws, mount screws, Allen wrenches, and a user manual. The camera features a 1/4-inch Sony Super Head image sensor and views images through a 4 to 88mm lens. The camera is capable of a 360-degree pan and 180-degree tilt, and can see up to 260 feet at night with no light using 22 LEDs. The camera features a 22x optical and 10x digital zoom and is capable of handling up to 128 presets. The camera supports Pelco D and Pelco P and features RS-485 connections, BNC video connections, and uses a 12-volt DC power supply. To begin setup, remove the dome cover. To do this, use the Allen wrenches to remove the screws holding the top rim in place. Next, remove the bottom mount. Now, you will need to remove the camera from its outer housing. Push down on the camera and turn to lift the camera out. On the bottom of the camera, you will find the dip switches. The first 6 are set for the protocol. The last for the address. In your DVR, go to the main menu, Devices, PTZ. Change the settings for the channel that you plan on connecting your camera to. In this case, Pelco D, a baud rate of 9600 and an address of 1. Be sure to turn your cruise on. Connect your power wire to the camera's RS-485 connections. Then, connect the power wire to the DVR's RS-485 connections. Plug your cable into the camera's video and power connections. Plug your video connection into the chosen input and plug the power supply in. Using the mouse on your DVR, double-click on your camera to make it full screen. Right-click with your mouse and select PTZ to bring up the PTZ GUI. To set your presets, simply use the pan and tilt arrows along with the zoom buttons to get your camera in the first preset. Select your stop time and set each preset. For multiple presets, simply save the current preset, move your camera to the next area, and save it again. When you have finished, save your settings, and then exit the PTZ GUI. To start your cruise, right-click with your mouse and select Start Cruise. The camera will go through each preset. To stop the cruise, right-click with your mouse and select Stop Cruise.